Hi, welcome to Creative Academy C programming tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on individual digits printing of a three-digit number. So here, the main opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis are three common lines for any program. The header files like stdio.h and conio.h, standard input output and console input output header files will link corresponding functions in those header files to the program. As we have to enter a number, the declaration of a variable n is done as integer type. It is not initialized. To clear all the previous output on the screen, clr function is used on the output screen to clear all the previous outputs and to clear it to print output of this program. clr function, clear screen function is used to prompt user for entering a number, to give proper input, and to avoid any error in input. We are prompting with the printf statement to enter a three-digit number, and as it is an integer type variable, %d type specifier is used in scanf statement, and for address allocation, ampersand operator is used for variable n. The value that we enter will be stored in variable name n or location with name n. Now to print the first digit. In this program you will understand how to use division and modular division operators for getting individual digits of a number. For 4-digit number, 5-digit number, a number of any digits, for a number of any digits, you can fetch individual digits or you can retrieve individual digits by using these two operators, by and modulus. So to get first digit, what I am using? N by 100. So what exactly will happen here? Suppose if my input is 128, okay, then the first digit will come 128 by 100. When I divide 128 with 100, it is divisible exactly once, so it returns output as 1. Okay, so based on that, when any three-digit number is entered, the maximum times the number is divisible. Suppose if I enter 928, 928 by 100, 100 divides 928 exactly for 9 times, and 28 will be the remainder. Okay, the quotient is 9, and so we know that division returns the quotient. When 928 is divided by 100, so it divides exactly for 9 times, and then the remaining remainder will be not considered by the division because we are going for use of integer type. Integer type will not consider like 9.28. If it is a float, we get value like 9.28, but for integer we get only whole number part. So 920 by 928 by 100 will give output 9. So any three-digit number, what will happen? The first digit or the number, when we divide with 100, the maximum times the number is exactly divisible by 100 will be considered, and it returns it as output. Now when we consider the second one, what is the second one? The second one is, I'm simply copying it and simply pasting it here so that my task of typing will be reduced. Okay, the same 928 is entered. Now we are going for calculation of second digit. When the second digit is calculated, what is happening? N by 10, 928 by 10. So when a number is divided by 10, how many times it is exactly divisible? 928. We will not be considering the decimal part. So the number after first operation is 92. On 92, we are applying modular division or modulus, so that what is happening? 92 modular division 10 will give the remainder. 10 nines are 90, the remainder is 2. So the second digit is 2, we got the second digit. Now, third digit. The same process. When we consider the same process again, when 928 is considered, when we go for modular division on this, what it will give? 10 92s are 920, and the remainder will be returned by this modulus operator. So it gives 8. So we got first digit, second digit and third digit by using the program. To hold output screen till the user enters input, we are using getCH function. Now let's try to execute this program. No warnings, no errors. Now I am enter a 3-digit number. So I am entering 857. The first digit is 8, the second digit is 5, third digit is 7. Retrieving numbers or fetching numbers from a number play an important role in sum of digits of a number and reverse of a number. For these two programs, retrieving individual digits and using them for sum of digits and reverse of a number will be very useful. Thank you.